Hello, Professor. This is my name is Kwa. Welcome. My student ID is 014 1014 This is assignment 3 for help price advanced regression technique. So these are the import information that I use. I use Panda for data manipulation and analysis, cleaning, deleting, something like that. NumPy for operation, numerical operation. Seaborn data visualization. Matplotlib for plotting, right? Sklearn linear regression, as this one is based on this one. And mean square error for evaluation. So first of all, I have to train the data, right? I have to load data, read the train CSV, right? And test CSV, right? So we load training because the training data, it's going to contain feature like house and price. In the testing, which is going to contain the feature which we're going to use it to make the prediction for based on how much information we have and train. After that, we make the prediction based on this test CSV here, right? So the log transform. So typically we use a log transform to reduce the skew in the target variable, a sale price, technically, right? Sale price, right? So we apply log transformation using NP log 1P. This makes the data more suitable for regression modeling, right? So second of all, second of that, we have to separate feature and target, right? So I have to train the data with X and Y, right? So the reason I have to separate because I need to separate the feature, the input variable, and the target variable, the log sale price here, from the training. And also I have to prepare for the test data features as well, right? So the same thing here. I have to separate the non-numerical columns and the numerical columns because, well, technically this one pretty much important because machine learning, they only work with numerical columns because, well, I mean most, right? Because if we don't separate them from each, like from the information we have, it's pretty hard for the model to give me the exact output prediction that I want, right? So handling missing. So technically the handling, I gonna fill up the numerical column with the means and the column with the non-numerical columns right here with the mode, right? So the next thing that I have to do is I have like one hot and cold non-numerical, like to convert categorical data into numerical format because, well, technically this is quite important because, like I have explained above, like most machine learning algorithms include linear regression, perform mathematical computation that rely on numerical data. Non-numerical data, technically such as string or category, cannot directly process by this model. So that's why I have to convert it, right? So I have also aligned training testers to ensure they have the same columns, right? Because this one is easier for prediction, for the future prediction, right? So here you can see that I have trained linear regression model. So I train it with the X and Y. So they give me this one, regression, right? So next thing is evaluate model. Well, this one is pretty, so well, technically this one I want to predict the training data and calculate the root mean square error, the RMSE, right? Based on this one is asking, right? So technically, so which it's going to show me how well model fit the training data, right? So this one here, right? So after that, I have to print the evaluation. So that's technically what I printed. It's going to give me 9%, which is I mean, it's not bad to be honest, right? So the training R square is 94%, which is pretty give me a high score, which mean based on the information of the test, which is pretty good. Yep, I think it's pretty good for me because I would expect it to give me a high prediction to let me know that how well these evaluation actually give me, right? So the next thing is make prediction. So technically, since our target variable was locked transform, so I reverse the transformation using so this one, right? So this one is used to transform it and exbm1 to get predicted sale price based on the original scale, right? This one's pretty. And after that, I just make the file submission and then I put all of those information in. So if you look at this one, I have submitted on the board. Where is it? Submission. I think my submission is here. So I submitted public score. So actually, I submitted two file because I was playing around with the data set, and because well, to be honest, would you that I have been like working for like, I think a couple of hours, and these are what I get. Like the first one I did was 2 minutes, like public score with 2.9 something, and the second submission I get like 3, which mean if you look at my leader score here, so I'm actually at 5 7, which mean it's not too bad for me, right? What do you think? Because I am pretty much higher than majority of people, which is 79 people down below me. But the point is, simply, I just want to say that uh, for a soft dev like me, just learning data science for over the last two months, which I barely have practice on data science about training and modeling, analyzing it. But the point, this one give me that okay, which means I am still standing in a good point position, which is going to give me some sort of motivation to work on more. This I think after the recording, I probably going to play around more with it to see how much I'm actually going to improve my score though. Yeah. Okay, so technically these are things that I think I pretty much understand over the last 2 months you guys have shown me, along with the lab practice, which is pretty good. I mean, but anyway, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Um, I will publish this one on the source on D2L and the file Zilla and GBlearn as well. Thank you.